Welcome to HP2B homepage, where you access all key features. Select the organization and catalog you want to view. Products and services display the HP catalog by categories. Standards are the pre-selected products you will most commonly order. Products include everything approved for purchase in the catalog. Find compatible accessories and support. Buy multiple products at once using Quick Order. Create favorites of products you buy most often. Search for products using any keyword. Get detailed features, specifications, and photos. Choose your product and add it to the cart. View what's in your cart. View user personal details and few more. You can edit them if need arise. Need help? Click on the HP Support tab anytime. Check your purchase history, approve quotes, change settings, payment details, or delivery address. For more details, go to our homepage quick guide. HP2B, IT purchasing made simple.